And it's been quite a wonderful success story. Also known Kalian for a number of years and kind of watched Solar MD grow up from this small company. And it's really grown into quite a success story. Opened the first gigawatt factory on the African continent. You have another facility in Romania.
In Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, sorry. And I learned that last week that they're also discussing opportunity to invest in facilities in India with some partners. So just as a way of introduction, do you want to tell us a little bit about that story?
So Solar MD was founded about 10 years ago by Kalian Dimo, who is our CEO, as well as Kostadin Petko, the CTO, and James Eddy. So they started as installers within the renewable energy market. So in 2015, it was the development of our first battery, our first product. And that was essentially a 3.7 kilowatt residential battery as well as a 7.4 kilowatt residential battery. And as time goes on, the company grew. We now consider ourselves more of a technology partner because we include many different facets of engineering, mechanical, electrical, as well as software.
The last probably year or so, the industry has been facing some interesting challenges. So, just in terms of what's happening in South Africa, maybe some of the regional things that you're seeing, what is kind of like your market outlook for the solar business, for solar industry?
There's been a lot of news and articles around the fact that so many solar companies have closed down, like within this last few months, within this last year, I suppose, because their business was not suitable beyond load shedding. And I think for Solar MD, as an example, we are a manufacturer of energy storage products, but we've also been around for quite some time. So we have a lot of experience within the market, and I think just constantly innovating and creating new products has definitely allowed us to continuously grow. And especially now in the market, there's a lot of technological advancements that we are seeing as well. With the ESCOM increase pending with 36%, the market is shifting towards more cost savings, and also there's a need for more smarter technology, and that's essentially where we come in with our energy management system that allows you to perform energy arbitrage, peak shaving. You are able to control your entire plant. And I think it's because of that we've been able to experience such massive growth because we are constantly innovating.
How can South African companies sort of leverage opportunities outside of the country to sort of help stabilize or grow their businesses?
There's a bit of challenges when breaking into the African market, logistically, supply chain wise, as well as financially. But I think definitely if there is financial support and also just constantly innovating, I think we can definitely, South African companies can definitely make a difference in the African continent. And I think also with mini grids, with best solutions, with solutions that are easy to transport, and maybe more components that are pre-assembled, so that it's more easier to set up these kind of solutions in Africa.